What's up internet, welcome to Mo's Garage. In today's video we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2020 Toyota Corolla. Let's jump right into it. So starting underneath the vehicle, there are four 10mm screws that we need to remove in order to uncover the oil drain plug and oil filter. Once you have that removed, go ahead and slide an oil drain pan underneath the vehicle and break the oil drain plug with a 14mm socket. Let the oil drain out, and then once it's done draining, go ahead and reinstall the bolt, making sure that it's nice and snug. Up next is the oil filter, which you should be able to remove by hand, but if not, you can always use some oil filter pliers just like these ones. Just ensure that when you remove the oil filter, the oil seal comes off with it, just like this one. Okay, now that we have our old filter off, it's time to go ahead and install our new one. But before we go ahead and throw it on the car, let's go ahead and add some new clean oil to the gasket of the new filter. This is just going to ensure that when it comes time to remove this filter again, the gasket will come off with the filter. The filter shouldn't be on too tight, it should simply be hand tight so that it can also come off easily during the next oil change. Back up top, go ahead and remove the oil fill cap and then go ahead and add some oil using a funnel. The 2020 Toyota Corolla takes 4.5 quarts of 020 synthetic motor oil. Once you are done, go ahead and replace the oil fill cap and be ready to start the engine. Once you have started the engine, go ahead and double check to make sure that there are no leaks coming from the oil filter or the oil drain plug. Once you have verified that there are no leaks, go ahead and shut off the engine so we can check the oil level. To check the oil level, go ahead and pull the oil dipstick from the motor, wiping off the oil that's already on there. Since we just started the engine, the oil reading is not going to be accurate. Go ahead and put the oil dipstick back into the motor and pull it out. Here you want to make sure that the oil level reading is closest to the second hole farthest from the end of the dipstick. Once you have confirmed that the oil is at a proper level, go ahead and put the dipstick back, reinstall your engine oil cover, and let's go back to the driver's seat to reset the maintenance required light. Alright guys, so now it's time to reset that maintenance required light on the Corolla. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Alright, and then once you see that maintenance required sign, you're going to use this D-pad here to kind of go ahead and clear it out. So first things first, go ahead and back out. Okay, then you're going to scroll over to the gear icon. Scroll down to vehicle settings, press and hold the OK. Then go down to scheduled maintenance. And then go ahead and hit yes for reset the data. Alright, your reset is complete and your oil change is also complete. Alright everyone, so that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.